Disturbing facts that will keep you up at night. Part 10. The Jamaican song Night Nurse by Gregory Isaac is widely believed to be about the notorious white powder. Black Heart Man was a derogatory term used to describe a Jamaican Rasta man back in the days when people didn't fully understand what their movement was about. A frog with a padlock on its mouth is a part of a witchcraft ritual commonly used to intimidate witnesses in a court case to keep silent. Palm readers can steal your blessings and gifts from God when they read your palm. If you come and scream, you unlock a cute little emoji. When your ears ring, a spiritual attack is near. Start praying. Old dead relatives love to show up when a new baby is born in the family. The veil that separates the physical realm and the spiritual realm is the thinnest between 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. or 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Demons do not have a specific form. They turn into what appearance is beneficial to them at a particular point in time. Pigs keep their pens very clean. A pig pen is actually one of the cleanest kept pens on a farm.
Follow Jamaican True Stories for more.